Tonight is our first company ball, and I am proud to welcome you all here at this wonderful place. And before we get started, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of you who generously help us make this event come together to become a success. Sir Leo, Sirs, PLs, agents, admins, this gathering will never happen without each one of you.
Sa pagkakataong ito ay me and my wife, including our friends, our relatives, and our sponsors, we are very happy to have the first NetSpeak IT Services Ball. Palagi ko sa inyong sinasabi na you're not really asking for this, right? You're not even asking for a ball. You're not even asking for a party. You're not even asking for anything at all. But me and China and the whole team is actually giving it out to you. Why? Because we want to appreciate and we want to show you that we appreciate each and every one of us. Marami tayong lapses. We are not really perfect, but we are trying, right? Are we trying? Ayan. Trying to be what? To be better every day. Don't forget na palagi ko sa inyo sinasabi, mapagod ang meeting, mapabad ang meeting, I'm always reminding each and every one of you to be better. To be better than what you are when? Yesterday. So, kung ano yung mga pagkukulang natin kahapon, that can be rectified today. And we are the holders of our pen. Sinong sumusulat ng kapalaran natin? Tayo din. If we are not so good yesterday, but tomorrow is a new page, so we can write good things today. And we can be better and write good things tomorrow. So, laban lang tayo. Okay? We started from nothing, from scratch, and here we are, standing and actually kicking. Itong event na to, gusto lang namin maging masaya kayo. It is a little too much. It is a little too much. Sabi nga ninyo, sir, why are we doing this? It's too expensive. Guys, we love you all. We want to show you how we appreciate you. Love yourself first. Love your job, appreciate your job, then appreciate the people around you. Because the people around you are the good ones. Hindi natin sila makakasama kung hindi sila yung tamang taong miyembro ng center natin.
You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. Found a story that we saw.
I know, come and go ang tao natin, nawawala, bumabalik, bago, nawawala, bumabalik, bago. But guys, you're always welcome in our center. I may sometimes be rude, dala ng trabaho. I may sometimes be so good, dala ng pag-intindi sa inyo. Pero sana, ang request ko bilang kasama ninyo sa trabaho ay magpakabuti kayo. Okay? Alam kong nakakaantok ang trabaho natin. Alam kong nakakapagod, nakakasawa, nakakaumay. Parang ayaw ko na tomorrow, pero papasok ka pa din tomorrow. Guys, let's just appreciate what we have. Kasi hindi lahat ng taong gustong magtrabaho ay may trabaho. Okay? So sana mag-enjoy kayo, magsaya kayo, sumayaw kayo, huwag kayong mahiya because this is our night. Have a good night and enjoy the party, guys. Thank you so much.
You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate.